Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up footprint charts in ATAS. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first we want to load or launch up ATAS. So open ATAS platform after installation and log into your account. Make sure you connect it to your broker or data feed. So this can be CQG, Rhythmic, Binance, etc. Now once we've done that, we want to go ahead and click onto chart. Now go ahead and select the instruments markets you want. So this can be ES, NQ, BT, USD, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and choose BTC USD and click OK. Now from here, you want to go ahead and right click the chart, or you can go ahead and click into blank space on your chart and then hold down your shift key and then click onto K. And now that's going to show your footprint on your chart like so. Now if we can zoom out or zoom in on this, so you'll see your candles go from, we'll switch into footprint view showing bid ask volume inside the bars. So now footprints are these are going to show you a few things. So your order flow transparency. So instead of just seeing a bar candlestick, you can see how much was bought at the ask first sold at the bid at every price level. So for example, candle might look bullish, but inside most trades happen at the bid. So hidden selling pressure. Also, it's going to show you some delta, buyer versus seller strengths, absorption and imbalances, also volume concentration and refine entries and exits inside of these footprints.